What do you think this is? Look, one thing for certain, this is definitely not a surfboard. Whee! This thing is taller than me, so is pretty much everything. This is the Ikea lack shelf. Now, despite the name, this thing is lacking a lot of stuff. Like, where the heck is the manual? But anyways, I'm Superman. So I'm gonna have to put it right over here. $5. Yeah, that worked. I can do a whole ASMR like peel. You ready? Wait, are those manuals? I stand correction. It's just 2 screws, that's it. Oh, am I tripping or am I tweaking? Bro, this thing doesn't include screws, bro. Oh, what a bummer, Ikea. Why are you so cheap? There's no screws. Like the screws for me to mount this? Oh, why is this thing wobbling like that? Wow, 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 wow. Alright, let's go get some screws. Alright, we're in the car now. We're gonna go to the store and grab it real quick. We got them right here. So we're using these for the studs and we're using these for the drywall. And this is what I got. You can pause it. Alright, let's get drilling. Bro, that thing is... Alright, that looks freaking stupid, I'm not gonna lie. And bam, there we go. Obviously I'm gonna do a better job. It's just a little rough draft so we know how this looks. But let me know what should we do here. Because I had the vision of putting black panels but everybody's saying no. What do you think?